Welcome to my channel. Today we will be talking about how to open a NorthOne account. NorthOne is an online-only business banking platform. The application process is entirely digital and can be completed in minutes. First, you'll need to gather some basic information and documents. This includes a valid American phone number, your social security number, and physical home and business addresses. If your business is an LLC, S-Corp, or partnership, you'll also need an employer identification number, or EIN. You'll also need details about your business and its owners. Once you have everything, you can submit your application on the NorthOne website or through their mobile app. The application will ask you a few questions about your business for their team to review. After your application is reviewed and approved, you'll get immediate access to your virtual company card and can start using your account. Your physical debit card will be mailed to you. With that being said, thank you for watching. For more finance videos, kindly check my page. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.